Seamless Gutters for Less is your go-to solution for professional gutter installation in Graham, Washington. At Seamless Gutters for Less, we specialize in seamless gutter systems that are custom fit to your home, providing superior protection against water damage. Our team of experts begins every project with a thorough assessment of your property. This ensures no surprises for the homeowner or us. We listen to your needs and offer solutions tailored to your home's unique requirements. We use high-quality materials and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a perfect fit and seamless installation. Our gutters are designed to handle the heavy rains of the Pacific Northwest, keeping your home safe and dry. With years of experience, our skilled technicians work quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily life. We take pride in our workmanship. The result is a durable, attractive gutter system that enhances your home's curb appeal and provides long-lasting protection. Join our many satisfied customers in Graham and the surrounding areas who trust Seamless Gutters for Less for their gutter installation needs. We have over 240 reviews and they are all 5 stars. This is due to our determination to make sure every homeowner is 100% happy with our services. Reach out to us today to get a free estimate. Give us a call or click the link to our website in the description below.